it will be reflected as disappointments. So some individuals you observe say, I felt relieved when I decreased my expectations. We are having a conversation about the irony of building happiness and satisfaction on the absence of expectations and how it can impact our lives. Could such a solution be possible? In other words, like finding satisfaction by letting go of expectations, fully giving it up. So you are giving up on your health expectations. Regardless of where it breaks, regardless of how sick I become, now you are reducing, minimizing all of your expectations. Is this the recommended solution? Allah, the Exalted and the Majestic, did not give us such a solution. Living life moderately as granted by the Almighty, not based on expectations or lack of expectations, but on contentment. Because if you consider what comes into our hands as randomly obtained, you will set your expectations to the maximum. Because the more effort you exert, the more reward you will receive. The illusion that this leads to greater gains is just a misconception, and it burns you in life like friction, just as a wheel burns itself in friction. Nothing passes beyond what the Almighty has decreed for you, but you have always seen a dream of satisfaction on the horizon in your mind. It never comes into your hands. However, a person who lives life with contentment finds satisfaction in the essence of the Almighty, where in the future He has promised, in that limitless future without any constraints, without any troubles, in that infinite future and with the guarantee of the Almighty, when one knows it can be, the person becomes content.